Thank you for coming in today to attend this presentation. My name is Justin Foreman, and I am the CEO of Tech Titan Industries. Today, we will be discussing SeedDMS, an open source document management system. What is SeedDMS? SeedDMS is an open source document management system similar to Mayan EDMS. While Mayan EDMS offers more advanced features, SeedDMS is perfect for beginners or for those who only need a basic, reliable setup. SeedDMS is the most widespread system for EDMS. When paired with a cloud provider like AWS EC2 and a tool like HA Proxy, SeedDMS becomes a cost-efficient, scalable way to manage documents securely and efficiently. Its setup is quick, easy, and can be implemented across multiple servers to ensure users have a seamless experience. Key features of SeedDMS: centralized storage, know where all your documents are stored. Role-based access, control who can view or edit documents, ensuring data security. Metadata search, use simple keywords to quickly find your files. Version control, track document edits, contributors, and changes with the ability to roll back to earlier versions if needed. Conflict management, resolved editing conflicts in real time when multiple users are collaborating. Cloud integration with AWS. Using AWS with SeedDMS enhances scalability and security. Cloud storage. Store your data online, reducing local storage demands. Scalability. Clone servers and update configuration files effortlessly. High uptime. AWS guarantees an uptime exceeding 99%, ensuring minimal downtime. AWS also offers flexible payment options, including pay-as-you-go or monthly billing. You can even apply for $300 in credits to get started. Security in three-tier architecture. The three-tier architecture separates your system into a database layer, a front-end interface, a back-end processing layer. This structure improves scalability and isolates components, reducing the risk of breaches. By combining security features like AWS key pair authentication and custom firewall rules, you ensure top-notch protection for your system. Let's explore how SeedDMS, HA Proxy, SSL, and redundancy work together in practice. This here is what a HA Proxy configuration file looks like. As you can see, it's not very complicated and is only a few lines of code. What is really nice is that a lot of this will be automatically done for you, speeding up the process. Now this is where we will navigate to SeedDMS IP to check on it, and then checking out its certificates for a secure connection. As you can see, by simply navigating to the IP address for that server, we can test all three of these servers out. So let's check out all three of these. Make sure that they work. Then we will check to make sure that the self-signed certificate works well still. As you can see, I simply append an S to the SCTP, and the S makes sure that it goes to the secure portion. So now that we are on the secure portion, we can see the certificates that are on here. It does say not secure, but that's only because I did self-sign for this. Now testing the other servers as well to ensure that everything works. This is a way to load balance, so all of the traffic gets spread across each of the servers, so one doesn't take all of the weight of a lot of traffic, but instead is shared. So here you can see that we don't have access to this page. This is for the stats, so if I don't enter the right password, I can't access it. But within this page, I can check on the health of all of the servers, make sure that stuff is getting dispersed across the three servers properly, and that everything is up as it needs to be. As you can see, the data transmitter went up upon doing some moving around on that page. This server I shut down to show failover. Let's go over it now. Right here you can see that I shut down the server and the IP of the server. So here we have the server up. We will shut it down and then show you that just because a single server gets shut down, it doesn't mean that all of them shut down, and it will still allow the load to be sent to each of the servers as needed. So now that the server is stopped, we can see it doesn't work, but the others still do, in fact. We can check back up on the stats page too to make sure that it really does work. So let's now go back and make sure that we start it back up once again. Now when I refresh it, you see how it is right back up once again. Now let's use this command to test the entire thing. This will make sure that requests are being sent over each of the backend servers without crashing. This will send a lot of requests at one time. As you can see, there is a lot of data coming in each second. This is showing that me using that is really being dispersed and it's not crashing. There is a lot more things that can be done and a lot more uses, but for this example, this is just a quick and easy setup with the ability to scale everything as large or keep it as small as your business needs. By using something like AWS, you won't have to worry about keeping all of this on your physical machines. You also don't have to worry about what could happen. You and your customers are safe while using this quick and easy setup with SeedDMS. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation on SeedDMS. I am now open for any questions that anyone may have.